What's up, Tech Nation? Okay, so a few weeks ago I did the Walmart app. You remember that? And it failed because it wasn't the Walmart grocery app. You can't order groceries through the Walmart app and it'll say out of stock. And that was the problem. So there was a Walmart grocery app. I'm glad you guys told me about it because I can redo this video and try the Walmart grocery app, order some food, get them to load it in my car and see how it all works. You guys ready? Let's do it. All right, so go to your phone, any phone, and go open the Walmart grocery app, not the Walmart app, and you will see I'm already logged in right here. Let's go for spare ribs. We're gonna get 5 packages of spare ribs. We also need some meatballs for our Bible study, so let's get some meatballs right now. I believe we need clipboards for the Burger Wars tour that's coming up, so all the judges need a clipboard, so. And then we're going to finalize our order. Hold on a minute. Okay, we're driving into the parking lot of Walmart. Oh, look at swing set. We're going to the orange section. There, the sign, the orange pickup sign right there. I never knew that was there until filming this video. Looks like somebody's picking stuff up already. This is the orange section, look. That means they have everything already pulled for us. Look at this.
For pickup, please call.
For pickup, please call. Tammy's giving them a call right now. This is cool. There's the door. And they've got 6 stalls that are dedicated just for picking up. So if you're one of those people, and there are those people that don't want to walk in, they'll bring you your groceries.
Thank you for calling Walmart Online Grocery. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Tammy Scalfani. I'm here to pick up my stuff. I'm in park reserve number 1.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll be right with you.
Thank you.
Okay, so my lovely wife corrects me. Even on my videos, she does it all the time. What did I say wrong?
They have 8 reserve spots.
They have 8 reserve spots. So are there 2 behind us?
Yes.
There's 2 behind us across the way. So we got the back of our car open. We're gonna see if they load us up. And we don't even have to get out of the car. They can load us right up. And they're doing that right now. They're loading the back of the car. They got our full order already pulled. There were no substitutions. And they had a sign on a foam pad that we accepted our order. And that's it. Okay, so it went flawless. So that's the way you do it. A lot of people are doing this. And they're no longer getting out of their car. They just pick up their load. So that's it. I will talk to you later, Tech Nation. And make sure that you have the Walmart app and the Walmart grocery app. There are 2 different apps. All right? Take care. Bye-bye.